Look what arrived. I am so freaking excited. This is like one of my 4 favorite times of the year. The other 3 are when this comes in, what, spring, summer, and winter. This is like Christmas that I have completely paid for, and I am loving it. My FabFitFun box, FabFitFun, frickin'. My fall FabFitFun box. Whew. Okay, so this is a fun boxing. Grunt. I just want to call out, I don't know if you can see, there's a kitty. My hair is falling out like insane the past 24 hours. Literally, I'm covered in hair. So if you see hair all over me, like that's why, and it's my hair. It's not gross because I'm not gross. I'm clean. This is clean hair, so whatever. First of all, actually, let me rate this. I'm loving the box. However, last month they wrapped this in like another box so that all of the like parcel information wasn't on the top, and this has the parcel information on the top. Now the bonus is I didn't have to go to the post office to pick it up. It came right to my door like it used to always do, so that I'm not complaining about. However, I like to reuse these because I think they're pretty and I think they look good in my closet, so whatever. I'm just gonna have to cover the top. It's fine, it's fine. That's not part of this. I mean, it's not like part of it, so whatever. Can't be mad about that. This is the first month I have not cheated and oh, it's upside down. Oh, there we go. It's better. This is the first month I have not cheated and pre-looked online like what I'm gonna get. So this is 100% a surprise to me. I'm gonna show the top now that my address is not on it. See, maybe this is a thumbnail. My alarm's gonna go off in like 5 minutes because I'm at lunch from work. Why am I saying that? I'm gonna cut that out. All right, let's go. Oh my God, the little booklet is shiny this time. God, it smells so good. I love Christina Applegate. Okay. Okay, please don't suck, please don't suck. Last month sucked like a lot. HelloFresh coupon. Luna Rica, life's richer with Rica coupon, I guess. Yeah. Okay, this is not very big, which makes me think that I didn't get the cool stuff. Specifically, this vegan leather tote. So that really bums me out. I feel like I don't ever get the good stuff. This is what's in every box, this top portion. See? Let's see what I got. Well, I've already found this. So this is an Alfred teapot. So I could have either gotten a teapot from Alfred, you know, Alfred, the super trendy coffee place that people on Instagram are constantly Instagramming.
But first coffee.
Or a French press that says but first coffee. I have a French press at home. I mean, I also have a teapot, so neither of these I really need, but I kind of wanted the French press instead. If it's the same design that's in this book, which is Japanese type flowers on it, that's not my style. I think it is, it's blue. I mean, that's not my style at all. It's a teapot. You put your tea in here and then stick it there so it'll steep. So really it's just kind of a hot water holder. Look, I'll use it. Who am I kidding? I don't really drink tea. So far, we're not starting off on a good foot. Next, this is a Simply Whimsical tea towel. Oh, sorry, that teapot was worth $26. This set features 2 playful gray patterns that are sure to perk up your kitchen. Okay, I don't hate these. These are just gray tea towels. I was worried they had the chevron pattern on it, which I hate, but it doesn't. It's just kind of like, I don't know. I mean, yay. I don't really need these, but they're fine. They're worth $14.99. Next, we've got, so I could have gotten one of 3 things. I could have gotten this, which is an eye cream. I could have gotten a liquid foil lipstick duo, or a yoga detox bath. Actually, I'm glad I got this because I don't need any more lip stuff and my eyes can use some freaking help. Okay, so we've got, it is so hot downstairs and I don't understand. So it's got a little wooden top, total eye cream with echinacea, green Green Envy. Does it smell? It's covered. It literally has no scent whatsoever. I'll use this. I mean, I don't know. I don't know if it'll work, but I'll use it. It is worth $38. Next, so I got a beauty blender. I mean, all the ones I have are knockoffs, so I guess that's good. I just don't understand why a beauty blender, like why this is $20, but it's fine. I like that it's not hot pink. I like that it's kind of a light pink. That's kind of cool. This isn't like a special kind of beauty blender. It's just literally a beauty blender, so. All right, next. Grown Alchemist Botanical Beauty Polishing Facial Exfoliant Pink Grapefruit. How many freaking facial exfoliants are they gonna give us? Free from skin aging toxins, carcinogens, blah, 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 a lot of things. I like the packaging. Not this packaging, but I like the little like thing it comes in. It's kind of a shiny feel to it. By the same company, I could have gotten day cream, which I don't really need. I have plenty of creams, or a cream cleanser. So I mean, this is fine. Again, I don't really need it, but out of the options, I'm cool with it. This is worth $67. I don't see how that's possible. I don't see how that's possible. What is in it? Like, was this grapefruit grown from like famous grapefruit trees? Next, I got a Luna Rica cashew butter, salted caramel nut, gluten-free, cashew butter filled fruit and nut bar. That sounds absolutely freaking disgusting. There's a quote on the back. I often have to remind myself to take a moment to go outside, take a break, and nourish my mind and body. It's these little pauses that became the inspiration for Luna Rica. Rica means rich and delicious in Spanish. Excuse me. Rica means rich and delicious in Spanish. My freaking battery's dying again. And it perfectly describes our tasty, creamy, nut-filled, butter-filled bar. So break off a piece of Luna Rica. Rica. Take a moment for yourself and inspire others to do the same. This nasty ass thing, it doesn't have a price, and I don't know if it's vegan. It does have palm oil in it, which I'm not a fan of. It looks like it's vegan. I don't think I'm gonna taste it. Next, so far not loving it, FabFitFun box. This is not a fun boxing, this is kind of a blah boxing. Okay, let's talk about the funnest fact in the world. All 3 of my batteries died, so I had to wait for them to charge. Where were we? I've been wanting to do a bubble sheet. Calm down, Jenny. Okay. These are worth $18. I think they're the same. I just got 2 of them. Green tea. Okay, I'm really excited about this. Next, we've got here. We've got the Cobra wireless earbuds. They're literally what they sound like. They have a charge time, so you charge 2 hours. They'll play for 4 hours. You can talk for 4.5 hours. And then, like, if you don't want to use them at all, they'll stay charged for 90 hours. So that's pretty cool. You know, I've got some Bluetooth headphones that are like the big ones, and I can't get them to pair to anything. So I guess we'll see if these will pair. These are worth $40. You can either get them in black or white. Thank God I got white. I mean, again, cool, but I don't really need it. Here's the other thing though. It was either this or an umbrella, and thank God I didn't get the umbrella. I live in LA, it doesn't rain, and I have a billion umbrellas. Next, what is this? Is this seriously not gonna focus? All right, whatever. This is by Skin & Co. Blue in Capri Shower Gel with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. Well, that sounds like it would smell good. Freaking top thing on. If this sprays on me. This smells good. Those are typically smells I like to smell. Everyone got this. It's worth $22. So it can be used as a shower gel or to create a bubble bath. Cool, I mean, I guess. Is this it? Oh wait, I did get the tote. Please be a cool color that I actually will use. So this is the Vince Camuto Luck Tote in black or red desert. It's vegan leather, values at $128. I could have either gotten this or a 6-piece brush set. I'm really glad that I didn't get the brush set because I don't really need it. Oh cool, I got the black one. So it's black and it has like a gray accent here. Inside, there are care instructions for how to take care of it. And it really is just literally, it has one little pocket in here. You see that? It's so dark. It smells like chemicals. I mean, cool, I guess. I'm not hating this. That's everything. I don't know. I just feel like I'm getting let down a little bit. I guess I'll give this another month. I keep saying that every month. I'm like, I'll give it next month and see. But I mean, what else am I gonna get instead? I mean, I guess I'd save $50. It's just so fun. It's just so fun, you know, to like know that a package is coming and you don't know what's in it and it feels like Christmas, but Christmas you paid for. And then you get to open it and it's exciting, even though you get let down. But isn't that the joy of Christmas? Like, you get let down at Christmas all the time, right? I mean, right? I do. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you like me, subscribe to me. I'm so much fun. I do like all different kinds of videos. I do these, I do vlogs. I'm getting better at vlogging. Don't cut yourself short, Jenny. You're learning. Like, you don't have that much of an exciting life, but you're doing it. You're doing things. You're doing things, all right? So yeah, I vlog. I'm a vlogger. I make comedy parodies. It would be fun to subscribe to me, don't you think? I think so. Anyway, that is all for this video, like I've said before, and I will see you whenever I decide to film another video. All right then, have a great day. Goodbye.